Kuya, funny. Hello? How? Show me. You're just so smart. You can find things to do. Uh-oh, potholes.
Oh, that's a big one, girl.
Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Ooh. It's nice. It's not raining yet. I'm going to Sam's, remember? Ala! Careful. Oh! Look at that, Mala! Whoa! Okay, get one. No, he wants one with a different color. He wants the red and black. Wow! Get another one. I think that's broken. Whoa, what is that, water? Okay, when it gets hot outside.
I can shoot you, Mom.
Hello?
The water.
Okay, you excited? Wow, okay.
Not only this one, no, yeah. Sponsor.
Yeah, I guess. You want one? Whoa. Stay there. Okay. Alright. 7 by 7. It's a shed. Beautiful.
Oh, you can use
I don't know. BBC. Oh, yeah, we can. Nah, don't need no books. We're okay. Yeah. Man, Miguel, we ate it earlier. It was so good. Yesterday. There you go. All right. Oh, don't forget their toys. Oh, I got it. Where is it? No, I don't got it. Here you go. Oh, let me, I know. So pretty. Wow. Oh. Veggies and herbs. Look. So pretty. Wow. Oh. What's more here? My goodness, so much. Ooh. Wow. It's like all over there. Oh, look at this one. Wow. So pretty. Wow.
The watermelon very good, guys. Yeah. I want some too.
No, let me slice it.
Oh,
Hold on. Let me slice it first. Okay. Hold on first. Hold on.
Tita Mona, don't do that. Give me.
Daddy said I don't want it messy, so you gotta get it. Just wait. Hold on. Let mommy do it.
Mom.
Yeah.
Boo.
Yeah, hold on.
See.
Yeah, that's yours. Support mo, honey. Dito eh.
Yeah.
Ano mo yung direct sa Diyos sa basura?
For sure.